Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very special and nostalgic recipe, Kolkata style vegetable cutlet. हम इसे कहते हैं chop. It's crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside, and honestly it's one of the best snacks which I actually have. Perfect with evening tea, so let's get started. So for that I have taken some oil, mustard oil in a pan and fried some handful of peanuts, and after that in the same oil I have added Panch phoran along with 2 dry red chilies. Let them saute on medium heat until you get that beautiful aromatic smell. Next goes in grated ginger and green chili. You can also use ginger and chili paste if you prefer. Saute them very well till the raw smell disappears. Then I have added haldi powder followed by grated carrot and beetroot. These vegetables add color, sweetness and a really nice texture to the cutlet. I cook everything for about 8 to 10 minutes without adding any water. You can cook it covered or open. I have cooked it open. And once the vegetables are cooked, I add salt around 1 tablespoon, but feel free to adjust it according to your taste. Mix everything very well, cook for another minute. Now let's talk about bhaja masala, which gives the cutlet its authentic Kolkata flavor. For this I dry roasted some masalas which I have mentioned in the screen. After roasting it, I pounded the spices using a mortar and pestle and this added on the stuffing. I add the bhaja masala and I added 3 boiled potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are boiled in advance and slightly cooled so the mixture binds properly. Don't add the hot or like the warm potatoes. यहाँ पर ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि इसको आप आराम से लो फ्लेम पे अच्छे से पकाइए स्टफिंग को, इसी से जो टेस्ट है वो एनहांस होता है. And after that I have added 1 tablespoon sugar, which is very important, and then I added the fried peanut. Mix everything very well until the mixture comes together nicely, and then I have added some fresh coriander leaves. And again I have mixed everything very well, and this time you can just check the salt and sugar and taste the masalas. If you want, you can add or adjust according to your wish and the taste. And then I have transferred this in a bowl, let it cool completely. Now for the coating, I prepare a slurry using 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and 1/4 cup corn flour, salt and water as needed. The consistency should be semi-thick, just like you see in the video I am showing it. See, don't add too much of water, otherwise it will be very thin and it may break the cutlets in the oil while frying. But yes, you can just check the consistency. This is how you will have to make it. I shape the cutlets, dip them into the slurry, and then again I have coated them in breadcrumbs. This is how I have made this breadcrumb, which I have, like, I'm coating it right now, I have made in my home itself. You can just crush the breads and just roast them in a pan in low flame. And again I have double coated for the extra crispiness. This is purely optional, but trust me, if you just make it like this, you will just love it. And then I have made all the cutlets like this, and then I have fried it. Fry the cutlets on medium flame, turning them gently. Until then they are golden and crispy on both the sides. Take your time here, don't rush. Medium heat gives the best crunch. See the texture which I am showing you right now. Do try this at your home. I just love cutlets. मुझे कटलेट बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And finally, I sprinkle a little black salt on the top. And listen to that crunch. Crispy outside, soft inside, just the way a Kolkata veg cutlet should be. I am serving with kashundi, a mustard sauce that pairs beautifully with these cutlets. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.